Okay, Mason, go to your puzzle. Let's show Grandma and Mimi how big you've gotten. What about the puzzle on the bed? Go on the bed. Look. Up here. Look. Watch this. Look what I've learned in less than a week. Pull on up. Good job, Mason. Quite independent now. Whoa, you're actually holding on one-handed. Mason, look at you standing. Look at all those wonderful books you have. You gonna show us how you can sit back down after you read a few books? Show us how you sit back down. Whoops. I think it's a little difficult with books under your feet. I'm afraid to move it or you're going to do the splits. Look at that! Good job!